Hi, it's me, Justine. Welcome to Open-Minded Singing channel and another episode of my series Harmony Games. If you already know this series, that's great. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to get the notification every time I'll upload the video. And if you already know how it works from the previous videos, you can skip this section and jump straight to the lesson. But if you are here for the first time and you want to learn how to sing in harmony, let me explain to you how it works. I will show you how to sing each voice in your favorite songs, and you can practice it first with me, then on your own, and finally sing it with other vocal parts. In the description and in the comment section below, you will find a table of contents, and you can easily navigate between the parts. You can choose if you want to learn only one voice or all of them. You can repeat each section as many times as you want to and go to the next one whenever you're ready, and you can also come back to this video at any time and jump straight to the practicing. On the screen, you'll see the lyrics, the sheet music, and in the top left corner, you'll see the name of the section to prevent getting lost. I think it's all you need to know. Let's go. Today, it's gonna be the day that we can flaunt our tough nature and release the evil within. Yes, I'm talking about a new single by Billie Eilish, Bad Guy, and what's surprising, a lot of harmonies are hidden there. I decided that the most interesting part that I want to show you, it's the verse, because we have there 5 different voices building up line after line, and let me show you how it sounds.
White shirt, now red, my bloody nose sleeping. Your tippy toes creeping around like no one knows. Think you're so criminal. Bruises on both my knees for you. Don't say thank you or please. I do what I want when I'm wanting to. My soul so cynical. I'm the bad guy.
So first, we will start with the lead vocal, and you can try to sing it with me.
White shirt, now red, my bloody nose sleeping. Your tippy toes creeping around like no one knows. Think you're so. Bruises on both my knees for you. Don't say thank you or please. I do what I want when I want into. My soul so cynical. I'm the bad guy.
If you find it difficult to sound this creepy way as Billy, try to find your vocal fry. It's a low sound with a characteristic rough or creaking sound like this. I'm a bad guy. Sounds strange. If you can't do it right now, try to reach for it in the morning, just right after you get up. And when you will find it, just practice it and try to add it to your speaking voice and to the song when it's needed. Perfect! So we can add it to all the other voices. Let's go!
Bloody nose, tippy toes creeping around like no one knows. Think you're so criminal. Bruises on both my knees for you. Don't say thank you or please. I do what I want when I'm
often, singing in harmony is about timing and waiting for your small part to be played. And this song is a perfect example of it, so stay focused and try to sing it with me.
Bloody nose, tippy toes creeping around like no one knows. Think you're so criminal. Bruises on both my knees for you. Don't say thank you or please. I do what I want when I want to do. My soul so cynical.
Now it's time to sing it alone. It will be a little bit harder because when you are joining the lead vocal only for 2 words, just like in this case, you have to be extremely concentrated. So let's go. Alright, once you did it, we can try to sing it together.
White shirt, now red, my bloody nose. Sleeping, your tippy toes creeping around like no one knows. Think you're so criminal. Bruises on both my knees for you. Don't say thank you or please. I do what I want when I want to. My soul so cynical. I'm the bad guy.
Next vocal part, we have to add a line after the second voice, so listen to how it sounds and try to sing it with me.
Creeping around like no one knows. Think you're so criminal. Bruises on both my knees for you. Don't say thank you or please. I do what I want when I'm wanting to. My soul so cynical.
Now you can try to sing it alone. Try to focus and imagine the lead vocal in your head so you can join in the right moment. We can move on and sing it in harmony.
White shirt, now red, my bloody nose. Sleeping, your tippy toes creeping around like no one knows. Think you're so criminal. Bruises on both my knees for you. Don't say thank you or please. I do what I want when I want to. My soul so cynical. I'm the bad guy.
Awesome. Another vocal part we will add is a little bit higher, and again, we have to pay attention to the moment when it starts.
Think you're so criminal. Bruises on
Now you can try to sing it alone. Don't forget to have that lead vocal in mind at the beginning. Let's move on and sing it together in harmony.
White shirt, now red, my bloody nose sleeping. Your tippy toes creeping around like no one knows. Think you're so criminal. Bruises on both my knees for you. Don't say thank you or please. I do what I want when I'm wanting to. My soul so cynical. I'm the bad guy.
Great! And the only one vocal left. It's a small part, only 2 lines, but it adds a final touch to the whole verse. Let's try it. It's gonna be a little bit of waiting, but as I said, it's common in singing BVs. Don't get discouraged, just wait for your part and smash it. Let's go. Now it's time for teamwork and singing together.
White shirt, now red, my bloody nose sleeping. Your tippy toes creeping around like no one knows. Think you're so criminal. Bruises on both my knees for you. Don't say thank you or please. I do what I want when I'm wanting to. My soul so cynical. I'm the bad guy.
You are amazing. Thank you again for singing with me. If you like it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and click the bell to get the notification every time I'll upload the video. Of course, I'm waiting for your comments and suggestions. What songs would you like to sing in the future videos? And if you have any further questions, just hit me up in a comment. You can also grab your phone and record yourself as you sing it with this video or with some friends. Just don't forget to tag open-minded singing with hashtag harmonize. And if you want to, you can follow Open-Minded Singing on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And if you like my voice and you want to listen to me more, you can find me on YouTube and Instagram as Justine Sounds. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.
I'm the bad guy.